Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to go over number 6 because that was missed again on your assessment. So let me just go over it and then you let me know when you're ready for your reassessment after you've looked at this. So it looks like your LCD was correct. Okay, so you got 4x times x minus 2 because that's your least common denominator. So what you're going to do is you're going to multiply everything, every little fraction by that, by the 4x times x minus 2. Okay, everywhere, just like this. Okay, then your goal here is just to get one big fraction because those little denominators are going to cancel out. So like here, the x's would cancel out. So that's going to be 4 times x minus 2. Here, the x minus 2's cancel out, so that's going to be plus 12x. And then here, we're going to get the x minus 2's to cancel out. So that's going to be 16x squared. And then here, it's going to be minus x minus 2, like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So it looks like here is, use different color, 4x minus 8. So that's going to be 16x minus 8. I'm combining the 12x and the 4x. And then down here, it looks like we're going to get 16x squared minus x minus 2. And when we do this, we're going to be able to take out an 8. So it's going to be an 8 on the outside, and we're going to end up with 2x minus 1. And then here you can test out t method. So I don't know if that's going to work because we got 2 and 1, or negative 2 and negative 1, because we have to add up to a negative 1. And then, or even if we did 8 and 2, I don't think that's going to work. So we're just going to leave it just like that. So 16x squared minus x minus 2. So just take a look over that and then let me know if this is, if you're ready for the retake then. Okay?